Saguaro Study. The saguaro cactus is the largest cactus in the United States. Saguaros live only in the Sonora Desert. This desert is in Mexico, California, and Arizona. They are adapted to live in the hot, dry climate. If it gets too cold, they will die. Like other cacti, saguaros have spines. These spines are their leaves. They help prevent water loss in the hot sun. Their stems are thick and waxy. They store water for the plant. The outside of a saguaro cactus has pleats. When it is full of water, the pleats expand. When it has used up its water, they contract. When saguaros are full of water, they can weigh more than 8 tons. That's more than an elephant. Inside the saguaro are woody ribs. These ribs help hold the cactus up. It has the same number of ribs as pleats. When the cactus dies, the ribs are exposed. Some Native Americans use these ribs to build houses and furniture. Saguaro cacti get very big. They can grow to more than 50 feet tall. That's taller than a house. When they are between 50 and 70 years old, they start to grow branches. A mature saguaro will have 5 or more branches. They also have huge root systems. Their roots are very shallow. They are never more than 3 feet deep. The roots spread all around the cactus. They go as far as 40 feet in each direction. These roots help them take in water. They can take in 200 gallons in 1 week. The saguaro has flowers that open at night when it is cool. They are creamy white. This makes them easier to see in the dark. Bats, birds, and insects pollinate the flowers. Animals eat the fruit that develops. They spread the seed so new cacti can grow. Word bank: spines, stem, pleats, roots, flowers. Label the parts of the saguaro cactus. Write how each one helps the cactus to survive in the desert.